Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to use check-in feature on Facebook. Suppose we went for a vacation or an event or visiting a famous site or an organized meetup or stuck in a natural disaster or in some other serious situation. To let our family and friends know where we are, we can use the excellent feature called check-in on Facebook. Log into the Facebook. To use the check-in feature, click on create post. In this, click on three dots, and from the options click on check-in tab with the red map marker icon. By enabling checking, it will show our current location on a map. At present I am in Nalgonda, Telangana, and it is also showing some nearby places to our current location. Select the desired location from the list that appears, or we can type our own choice in the text box showing here, and it will highlight the location in the map that we have selected. And we can also use this feature to give promotion about some product. Suppose we have visited a famous hotel or any food court in Nalgonda. Select the location from the list of options and enter the feedback about the items in that location. Further, just click on feeling or activity. Also, we can add any other features such as photos or videos, GIF files, live videos, and we can tag our friends, type the notes if we want, and select the audience for this post. And finally, click on post, showing at the bottom of this post, and it is published into our timeline. Now let's check this from one of my friends' account, and they will get a notification. If they click on it, it will direct them to that post. If anyone over the mouse on the place name, it will show the details of that place, and if they click on it, it will open its page with the full information. Like this, we can use the check-in feature on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.